Good morning, Tiffy. How are you today? Friday, so I hope you're fine and you have still some energy for the tasks for today before the weekend. So let's start then. If it's about maths, I would like you to have the last math test this school year. Okay? So we will be just calculating, just counting, no word problems, no other stuff, just counting as I said. So that's the math test. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, of course. Okay. So if you have no printer at home, don't worry. You can simply do it in your math notebook. Remember. Okay. So solving those tasks, calculating them. That's it. And I would like each of you to send me the photo of that test, please. Okay? And English will be about reading and it's combining with unit of inquiry today. So I would like you to read more about the rocks. I know you've watched the videos and some of you read the text about types of rocks, but still there is a text, really nice text about them with the pictures and examples. So I would like you to read the text. And before our Zoom lesson, you may practice reading aloud a bit as I will ask some of you to read the text as well during our lesson. I would like you to read it aloud as I want to check the fluency of reading fluency. Yeah. So if you want, if you feel like you would like to practice before, just do that. And extra task for the volunteers, but I think that actually everyone, it would be nice if everyone does it. So I would like you to make your own rock. It's not very complicated. If you've got some sand at home and gravel and sugar, that's it. That's all is needed for that project. So you can create a sedimentary rock by using water, sugar, gravel, sand, and you will also need a paper or plastic cup, wax paper, and spoon. Okay. Would you like to try it? Remember that okay, if you make your own rock, it needs to dry out for 2 days, let's say, and you need to be very careful because probably you would like to see it. So remember that if you mix sand, sugar, and a bit of water, then you will mix everything, and then with the use of your hands, you will have to form a rock and place it on a wax paper, and then please leave it for 2 days. You can observe it, but do not touch, as it's very gentle and it may be broken easily. Okay, so just for the volunteers, but if you have the opportunity, try it. Be a risk taker. And that's it. Today during our Zoom lesson, we will discuss the rock cycle and types of rocks. So it would be nice if you have a whiteboard and a marker or your unit of inquiry notebook. Okay? See you at 10:30 then. Bye bye.